All right, today we're working on page 128. We're going to look at how decimals and fractions are related, but also digging into how do we write these decimals. So the first thing is we're going to say that this block right here is now equal to 1. This is a whole number. So we're going to change your brain set, and that is a whole number. The next piece is this is 1/10. We used to write this number as a fraction as 1/10. Now, the smallest of all of our fractions that we're going to be looking at today is this little guy, and that's 100th. So that'd be like thinking about cents and dollars. So if we put a dollar sign up here, it might make a little bit more sense to you of understanding tenths and hundreds. Like these would be dimes and these would be pennies. And we would write this as 1 over 100, where this would be 1 over 1, or just 1. So when we're looking at that, that is what we're going to look at. So they talk about that he worked this problem and that 2 and 48 hundredths as a decimal fraction. A decimal fraction can be shown with the model of blocks. The flat is 1, the rod is 1/10 or 0.1, and this is 1/100th or 0.01. So let's take a look at that. So they show this all broken up and then they write it. So if we're going to do that same example and we really focus again, and I want to highlight this box up here. If you look at this box right here, this will help you with the whole entire worksheet. And I made an error there. This will help you out with the whole entire worksheet. So make sure that you're looking at that. So I have one whole block. I have one of those blocks. So I have 1. Now I'm going to count my rods or my tenths. And I have 1, 2, 3 tenths. And then I have 2, 4, 6, 8 hundredths. And that is my number, 1 and 38 hundredths. Go ahead and try that out for 2. And then for 3 through 5, they give us the words. And we just need to write the number out. That's all they want us to do. So I have 5 ones. So 5 goes on the left side of the decimal place. That's easy. 6 tenths and 2 hundredths. So number 9, they tell you to put in the 0, but number 8, or number 10, they do not. So let's take a look at that. I have 8 ones. And I know this is my hundredths column, and I have 7, but I don't have any tenths. So that tells me that's a 0. And the next one they try to trick you on is number 7. And I don't want you to be tricked today. So they say I have 13 hundredths, or 13 tenths. Well, that doesn't make sense in our brain because I can't go like this. I can't go 2, 1, 3, 4. That's just too weird. So something is wrong with this. Every 10 I have, every 10 tenths I have, so if I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of these blocks, that really ends up making one of the hundredths blocks. So I'm going to take this 10 and change it to a 1. So it's really 3 ones, comma, and 3 tenths. So this would be 3, 3, 4. I do believe that you should be able to finish this one up independently on your own, but if not, come find me during office hours and I'll help you out.